Today is National Coffee Day. Are you one of the millions who will celebrate?
If so, you can check out John Martin. He's live at Jives Coffee Lounge. Stop by, say hi, have a cup of joe with our little friend. Good morning, John.
Good morning, Justin and Kimberly. Yes, it is delicious coffee here at Jives. The new location here with Randy. Randy owns this place. You built this place. Just to let people know, this is kind of in front of the Harley-Davidson shop on North Nevada. We're just talking about the history of coffee. There's again, at surface level, it wakes you up in the morning and it's good. But you're even talking about like fair trade and how you get your beans here. Talk a little bit about that and about this new shop.
Well, a couple things on that real quick. The fair trade and gate trade, which we do a lot of gate trade stuff, or farm trade they call it. You try to get as close to the source as possible. So instead of going through big conglomerates and big corporations to basically pay them, you know, $5 a pound or whatever, and then they end up paying the farmer 50 cents.
Right.
We try to cut all the middlemen out, and that's basically what that does. And it gives a fair wage. That's how fair trade kind of talks about. So it's not just coffee, but coffee is one of the biggest ones that does fair trade. And we try to support as much of that as we can. Now, we roast all ours local. So a buddy of mine on Colorado Avenue roasts all our brew. Another friend of mine in Denver roasts all our espresso. So that's just how we like to roll. And hopefully someday we'll roast our own.
Absolutely. And it's nothing against the big corporations because they're going up, but they have to buy bulk for
They have to buy millions of pounds.
Exactly. Yeah. But you guys are getting a little bit fresher because you don't need to distribute it among so many places.
In fact, none of ours are over a week old as far as roasted yet. Never. So we get ours every couple days or every week, all our beans roasted. Now, that just makes it fresher, obviously. Better tasting, retains all the integrity of the bean.
And real quick, just because I'm going to try to save time for the next segment later on where maybe we can have more coffee and get more energetic. This is the second location. The original one, the original Jives is over by Bancroft Park in Old Colorado City. You said, you know what, there's an opportunity to be by a college, a new apartment complex. You came here about a week and a half ago. How's business so far?
Business has been awesome. You know, it's exceeded our expectations. We're at about what it took a year and a half to get to at the other shop, so that's not bad for a week and a half. And we haven't even got a menu or even distributed flyers or anything. Finally got a sign up that works just a couple days ago. So.
Nice. Well, now you have a TV crew in here saying to come down to Jives on North Nevada. If it takes an extra 5 minutes out of your day, it is well worth it. Come and get at least the white tiger because I've had this much and I want to run a marathon, guys. It feels amazing.
It's not bad.
Delicious.
For you, John. I think that is great. And you're inviting people to come and have a cup of coffee with you. I mean, meet John Martin, the famous John Martin of Fox 21 Morning News.
Come for the coffee and maybe stay for the interview. We'll see. I'm not the selling point here by any stretch of the imagination.
I don't know about that. I think
your coffee is where it's at.
Huge selling point. Well, I want you to talk to some people and have them come down and do some coffee talk with you, and we'll be checking in all morning. Good stuff.
Fair enough. All right, guys. We'll talk to you later.
Hopefully you get some friends. That'd be great. Have a little gathering down there.
Yeah, why not? If you love the morning show, stop by and say hi.